Namaste. Many of you have been asking the same question: how to find the nakshatra of my Rahu? I can understand some of you may not be well versed with astrology as such. So, for all those novice beginners, I have created a small video in which I have demonstrated on how to find the nakshatra of your Rahu as well as of all your other planets. It is very simple. I will take you through the application and I will show you how to browse and find out the nakshatra of your Rahu. So let's begin. To find the nakshatra of your Rahu, the process is very simple. On your mobile, click on this Google Play Store. Type here Astrosage and you will see this Astrosage Kundali Astrology app. Click on it. Once it is installed, then open it. Click on Kundali. Type the name of the chart. Enter the date. Enter the time. Enter the place, birthplace. Select the gender and just click on Get Horoscope. Now in this, the first screen you see the birth chart in which the Lagna is selected. Just go scroll and click on planets. In this table you will see the nakshatra in which your planet is placed. So if you just count down, then you can see here Rahu is in the sign of Scorpio, 20 degrees, and in Jyeshta nakshatra. So this is how you can find the nakshatra of your Rahu, as well as you can also see the nakshatra of all other planets in your chart. Sun is in Anuradha, Moon is in Purvashadha, Mars is in Purva Falguni, Mercury is in Jyeshta, Jupiter is in Ashwini, Venus is in Mula. So you see, this is how you can find out the nakshatra in which your planets are placed. It's very easy and it's very fast.